On the trail, stopping to deflate your tires takes up too much time. You want to get back on the rocks. Overland Vehicle Systems Up-Down Air has something to help you out. First, let's start with the EGOI Permanent Onboard Air Compressor. This is a full power compressor that's made to handle heat, snow, mud, and sand. Its compact build means that it can be mounted just about anywhere out of sight. They have included aluminum cooling fins and an integrated cooling fan. This helps prevent overheating and gives longer life. The air outlet port will let you use multiple types of fittings. As you can see, this is a completely enclosed system that stops any contact with moving parts. The base plate is universal and integrated, allowing the compressor to be installed almost anywhere. And it lights up to help you find it easier in the dark. The Gen 2 controller box will let you air up or deflate all 4 tires at once. The air delivery system is made to save you time and get you moving. The Gen 2 controller box has an onboard regulator to manage your tire pressure. Make sure to get the correct kit for your application. The hoses do come pre-cut to size.